Hey, yeah. Hey, fuck me. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Hey. We got so many chops now, blow your whole block down. Say you on that shit, you end up dead up in your spot now. I'm a drill rapper, type of nigga, lay your click down. Suppressor on the Uzi, now that bitch is making laser sounds. Tell your brother get down, I heard he ain't got no blick now. Catch him out of bounds, we leave him dead, put him in the ground. Sippin' on these walk, I'm seeing red, ain't nobody fam. Trippin' by some mouse, bitch, I ain't worried about nobody now. All these niggas dick ride, they a bitch. Hop out, then we flippin' shit. Rock it in my pocket, know I got it taking off your weed. Bro thought I was lacking, but I'm packing somewhere you won't see it. Trippin' out these perks, no one hit Glock hold 50.
You ain't tryna pop out, you know we keep them Glocks out. Chop with a blunt stop, knock a nigga eye out. And I'm in the trap house, 30 on this Glock and it stick out. Trippin' out these perks, you get popped if you act out. He said he wanna shoot out, then he tapped out. He say he a shooter, but he running from a clash out. 50 on this Glock, better keep running till you pass out. Hoes run his crib, shaking shit with they ass out. Niggas hating me cause I'm in first, they in last now. You ain't gotta walk up in this trap and get a pad down. If you set it off up in this bitch, you gon' be first down. 50 cal on my fucking waist and make the worst sound. Bust this, and I bet all y'all niggas get down. Big shit, pull up with that chopper, then y'all sit down. You fist in 2019, now it's Glocks in 22. You fuck with us, we leave him in the cold, his body turning blue. Ain't tryna trip about nobody, cause that shit ain't coming to. Nobody never knew or understand what nigga be going through. But still, gotta do shit with my clan, you know my niggas roof. Yeah, Glock up in my pocket, tell your body leave you.
We got so many chops now, blow your whole block down. Say you on that shit, you end up dead up in your spot now. I'm a drill rapper, type of nigga, lay your click down. Suppressor on the Uzi, now that bitch is making laser sounds. Tell your brother get down, I heard he ain't got no blick now. Catch him out of bounds, we leave him dead, put him in the ground. Sippin' on these walk, I'm seeing red, ain't nobody fam. Trippin' by some mouse, bitch, I ain't worried about nobody now. All these niggas dick ride, they a bitch. Hop out, then we flippin' shit. Rock it in my pocket, know I got it taking off your weed. Bro thought I was lacking, but I'm packing somewhere you won't see it. Trippin' out these perks, know I'ma hit Glock hold 50, bitch. Glock hold 50. Yeah.